guys, this is Kayla Waller with Waller Adventures. Remember the native Florida plant video we posted a while back ago?
It's really funny to watch.
This is a native porterweed, so you can see its relationship to that.
We took some clippings from Pastor Sarah's garden and we planted them in our new Waller Adventures Permaculture Garden. So we'll give you a tour so you can check them out. This is our southern pea plant. You have to be really careful and keep it trimmed back because it will take over your entire garden. But it will produce peas like this. This is one of our Florida cranberry plants. This should produce red flowers that we can make the red tea out of.
Yes, so this is Roselle, also known as Jamaican sorrel, or Florida cranberry is another name it goes by. It's in the hibiscus family. So people who've had...
This is another Florida cranberry plant. The leaves for this are pretty good. They taste like cranberries, so they taste really good in salads.
Not worth it. So this, you just eat the leaves. Throw it in stuff, super delicious. Super high in vitamin C, just like these are. So this you grow...
This is our toilet paper plant. It is really minty and smells really good.
This right here is toilet paper plant. Yeah, so that's not the proper term. A still common name, but more proper term is blue spur flower. But it's perfect for toilet paper. It's in the mint family.
So this is our marigold plant. It will bring in pollinators so they can pollinate the other plants in our garden.
This is more goldenrod. I'm just letting it grow places. It's a really great pollinator plant. And it's a native pollinator.
So this is our katuk plant. The leaves are very high in protein and they are really good in pasta sauces.
I think it's got a lot of good protein in the leaves. You just eat it raw mostly is what I do. I also take the leaves and put them in salad. Well, not salad, I mean like pasta sauce and stuff. I think they do pretty good in there. They grow really well in wet areas. They kind of prefer moist.
This is our cactus plant. It is really good in protein as well, and I heard it's really good in tacos.
So it grows very well here. It doesn't need anything special. You just pull the paddle off and stick it in the ground and ignore it.
Did you like that gardening video? Then check us out on our YouTube channel at Waller Adventures. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notified on when we post more videos. Also check us out on our Facebook page and on our Instagram page. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you real soon.